Your mosaic maker Luann is really improvising here. We're using a hammer and something that's not really a tile nipper, but it does kind of work. And we got some discount pieces. The technique is just hammering it right into pieces. A thinset, which is the magic adhesive mortar, which is going to go on this pot. Well, we got some pretty bogus tools, but look here, we managed to cut up this blue glass, and Candace is learning to do it like a pro here. But as you see, we broke up our glass. We've got tile, we've got different kinds, and I'm just dipping it in the thinset here, right, with my hand, and now I'm just fitting it together. And I'm careful not to cut myself. No, I don't have gloves on, but we got some progress on these pots. As you see, it's a kind of a random pattern, but cute. This has really got a nice design here too. She's going right, oh, I like it so much. It's better than mine. It's ridiculous. It's 10:30 at night, and we got all the cheapest tile we could find and a few nice glass pieces because they didn't have any tile around here. So this is, and it's a flower pot. They'll be matching because it's got the same colors in it. Sitting there in the middle of the night, and it's really random, but that's the beauty of mosaics, right? Broken pieces, kind of like our life, broken pieces, and we make something beautiful out of it. Whoa! Okay, here we are resuming Candace's project, and there she goes. She's got her lined up right here, and it doesn't always end up like that, but she's got an idea of her design. Looking so nice. She's just shining it up, and this is the way it goes with mosaics.
There's 3 different ones.
You get a grout haze on it. And she has made a lovely design. Well done. Guys, here's the completed projects. Complete with flowers. It's our finished projects.